pretended that we never had to end it, but we knew we'd have to say goodbye. You were crying at the airport when they finally closed the plane door. I could barely hold it all inside. Torn in two, and I know I shouldn't tell you, but I just can't stop thinking of you. Wherever you are, you. Wherever you are. Every night I almost call you just to say it always will be you. Wherever you are. I could fly 1,000 oceans, but there's nothing that compares to what we had, and so I walk alone. I wish I didn't have to be gone. Maybe you've already moved on, but the truth is I don't want to know. Torn in two, and I know I shouldn't tell you, but I just can't stop thinking of you. Wherever you are, you. Wherever you are. Every night I almost call you just to say it always will be you. Wherever you are. You can say we'll be together someday, but nothing lasts forever, nothing stays the same. So why can't I stop feeling this way? Torn in two, and I know I shouldn't tell you, but I just can't